Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Scorpio water sign, and this reading is for last week of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Scorpio. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So these are your person current feelings, and let's see your feelings towards your person right now, this side. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Scorpio. King of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, the World and the Devil. And your feelings towards them: the burden, the Fool, change, Wheel of Fortune and fighting, Knight of Swords. Change, Wheel of Fortune, Six of Swords and the Fool. I think your person could be Capricorn, or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be any sign. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. I think you both are obsessed with each other, or your person could be addicted to some bad habits, or your person is obsessed with you. Definitely they want to end some negative toxic cycles going between both of you. They want to offer this stability to this connection, but there is lot of toxic energy between, because Ten of Wands is burden. He is feeling very burden. So first he want to end the cycle. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you, but definitely your person want to offer King of Pentacles, long-term commitment to you, but there is some toxic energy. I think you both with obsessed with each other. So your feelings towards them, definitely you also want new beginning with your person, the Fool. And some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Definitely things are turning in your favor, Scorpio, because Wheel of Fortune is here. Fighting, I think some issues are going between both of you, the Fighting card and the Devil. So first you both have to resolve the issues between both of you. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. Yes, there will be a chance for new beginning, because you person also want to offer stability, and you also want new beginning with this. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Wow, Page of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. Yes, one person invest in this connection more than the other person. Page of Cups. Definitely communication is coming. I think you both are going to talk with each other about the fighting, whatever the issues are going between both of you. Definitely most of the viewers, there will be a restart. I mean reconciliation, new beginnings. So let's see some more from your side, Scorpio, about this connection from the universe. Beyond Delusion, Judgment and Outsider. The outcome is Nine of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. I think your person, without you feeling like outsider, separation. I think some of you are in separation, but your person want to offer stability, and I think you will get justice, because Beyond Illusion is judgment. So if things are not getting better, I think self-love is better, because Nine of Pentacles, when you happy with yourself, definitely love is also attracted towards you. That's I am getting. So if your person is not approaching in near time, please love yourself, the outcome. Let's see one more card for clarity. Nine of Pentacles. The Miser. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. I think your person is not expressing their feelings. They are not expressive type. So reconciliation will be happen, but it will take time, because one person is in Nine of Pentacles mode, that is they are independent. One person is emotionally dependent on other person, but one person is not. That is the issue I am getting. That's why the emotional drama is here, because fighting and Devil, one person is obsessed with other person. It could be your person. Definitely waiting. So decision is up to you. You have to wait or not, because you are going to wait or not, but your person is coming with offer, but it will take time. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.